Evening. I'm Officer Walters with the City Police. I need you to open the door, please. I've got a signed warrant here. It says you're in possession of an unregistered Fortnite Battle Pass and an active subscription to something called Ranked Gooning. We're gonna have to...
Dude, I accidentally ripped the Benjamin and went back to prehistoric times. I'm geeking, man, and I need a sandwich the Aki way. Please.
Here. I just hit the Benjamin and I can't feel my face. Let me in, all right? I think I'm seeing GTA 6 edits out here.
Good afternoon. Open the door, please. I have a warrant for a $19 Fortnite card and a premium membership to Rank Jerk Mates. Let me in.
Hi there. I just came up the walk, and I swear I saw that fancy Travis Scott Fortnite fellow standing right here. And, oh, right next to that bag, I think that's the Burger King foot lettuce everyone talks about. Listen.
6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7.